Well, this is what, day 6. Time to take out all these spacers and take out these. What happens when you sit on the garbage can? Yeah, just you know, easy those broke off. Well, take these off. Those are so, I put the tiles in behind this so that these spacers stay true where they need to go on the next lay. Need that. This is garbage. It's garbage day today. So we'll get let's see. And all, see, that's what gets broken off, that plastic part. The flat part stays behind the tiles. When you push this in through the tile, it actually forces the back of this at both tiles and keep them flush. And then you snap them right off. These are 1/16 thick. I wanted a thicker grout joint anyways, so I'm going 1/8 on my grout joints. And by actually laying the blue spacers sideways, that's an 1/8 inch. If I laid them 1/8 inch flat, if I laid them up and down, that'd be 3/16. I don't want 3/16 for shower. So I'm gonna keep going and get this all cleaned up. Okay, this is what I was working on. Getting the corner set with the schluter. And so that works out good there. This piece is a little high, a little short one, but it is what it is. So that'll be like that. Get a little grout in there. And yeah, that's why I mess around get all this perfect and cut whatnot. Yeah, so I don't even know how much time I've spent already. I have to look at the clock. What time is it? It says it's almost 10 o'clock. So I've been playing around, messing around with this corner for almost an hour. And that's a long time. So so I got my 3 pieces cut. The first piece it's got a pitch to it, to the seat. The seat pitches about a 1/4 inch. And then I got that 2, 3 in the cutoff. And then getting the Schluter pieces cut exactly, and getting the corners mitered at a 45. So when they come together, see, they come together at a 45. And yeah, it's taken me, like I said, it's taken me a good hour just to get this set up and prepped. If I would have mixed up mortar and you're playing around, then what ends up happening is you end up settling for a product that you're not going to be 100% happy with. So I think I'll be 100% happy with this. So on that note, I'm not going to lay the tile today. I'm hurting. I'm sore. So it'll probably be maybe tomorrow. I got those all set. And like I said, the cutoff on those pieces, the cutoff that'll wrap around. And then that'll be a full tile with a cut. This will be a cut full tile. And then same thing with that piece. The wrap around comes around. And again, these grout joints, mortar, you want them even. So I made sure that piece started out as a half, then it was a full, and that's because that's a full. And then the cutoff from there, and so on and so forth. And yeah, so there's actually going to be 6 pieces on this wall, 3 pieces on this wall. And yeah, we'll get to it tomorrow. That's what I'm going to guess. I'm going to say tomorrow, finish the wall tile, get her done. And until then, we'll see you tomorrow. Well, day 7. All I did was get everything cut, get the shoulders cut. And yeah, like I said, I suffer from chronic back pain, and I just couldn't do it anymore. So after that hour, I was pretty much done. Maybe it was an hour and a half, but whatever. I'm going to try to get this last bit done. 6 tile pieces on that wall. Let me turn you around. And 3 pieces here. Those are those pieces there. And yeah, I have that piece that was already a cutoff, ready to go. I'm going to go mix up some mortar. And let's get this wall done first. So I don't want to bump into this on accident while I'm doing that wall. So I'm going to do wall first, 6 pieces, and then get this one done. All right, let me get some mortar and I'll be right back up. Well, we got those 3 rows done. And yeah, because I was leaning over. I might have would have hit those, but maybe not. Well, let's do this little wall here and let's call it a day. Pretty happy with it. The nice thing is, once I grout this, I left a little gap. I'll be able to run a nice caulk joint all the way through. So I am happy with that. And yeah, let's get this wall done.
Okay, we are set. We got everything in place. Actually, I got to pull. Shoot, I got to pull that over. Yeah, I got to get some tape on this before that hardens up. Hold on. All right, that's better. A little bit too much of a gap. So I got the Schluter all in. That'll be grouted all through and through. Got the side. Obviously, the rest of the wall. And man, feels darn good having it up to this point. Oh my gosh, what a pain in the butt. I don't know. Me, it's just a little more challenging to get this done. So this would be day 7, because in this same video, yesterday I cut the pieces for the lower part. And before I actually started, I cut all the pieces going up. So I cut that piece, the piece above, and that piece right there. So these 3 pieces I cut before I even made the mortar. And just makes life easier. And yeah, let's take a look at it all again. Well, there it is. Got a lot of cleanup to do. I'm telling you, I'm too lazy even to clean that bucket. I swear to God, I cleaned that bucket, I don't know, 5 times already. I'm done. I'm not going to clean it. I got 3 brand new buckets downstairs. So I'm going to discard it once I get everything out of here, get everything cleaned. Next, I have to run a trim piece at the top all the way around. I got to make a custom piece in my wood shop. I got to trim out the ends. And I got to trim out this end here. All this has got to get done before I do grout. It's not a lot of stuff, but something that needs to be done. And yeah, like I said, I plan on doing that before grout. So, y'all, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. And hey, subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. And yeah. And those have been on the adventure with this hole, from ripping out the shower base that I did not like at all. I didn't like it. The looks wasn't right. It just wasn't right. Shame on me. Lesson learned. And I know better. And I did it anyways. So, all right. God bless. Have a great weekend.